We click on G3, and we're not going to change that column, but we're going to add a column based off G3. Click Add Column, Conditional Column. So the name we're going to give the new column is Elite Student. If G3 as a score is greater than or equal to 15, then yes, that is an elite student. Otherwise, no, not an elite student. So it's 0 to 20. So 15 is the cutoff for an elite student. So now we can see, for example, 6. So a student who gets 6 is no, he's not or she's not an elite student. But then if they get 19, it's greater than or equal to 15. So yes, they are, and that particular one is an elite student.